guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your sister EuniUnni in the house today. Today I'm at a very special place. This is the headquarters of ENS Beauty Group, and they also own the brand Whamisa. I think a lot of you guys are familiar with the brand as well, and they have so many other products that they do manufacture for other brands as well. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun today. I am so excited to be here, and they're letting me film, so now I'm like allowed to film and do my thing. So let's have fun today, yeah? Alright, so let's go skincare shopping. Okay, so this Hydrogel mask is so popular. Actually, this is one of the first products that I tried from Whamisa, this and the toner. 근데 all three of them, they're very, very hydrating, but they do specifically have like different, I guess, selling points, like lifting, rehydrating, glossiness. And then this one is for brightening effect and revitalizing and toning. And this one is recommended for more of softening, soothing, and glossiness. Ooh, so I've never tried this before, but these are the exfoliating pads from Whamisa. Wow, I've never tried this.
이것도 되게 인기가 좋은데 한번 써보신 분들은 계속 쓰시는 제품입니다.
아, 그래요? 오, 필링 파드도 있구나. Organic fruits peeling finger mitt sebum care. Ooh, can I try one?
향기 너무 좋다. 과일 냄새 나요.
Oh, 향 진짜 좋다. It smells so good. Even with our masks on, right?
네.
Oh, this is so cute. And you can just kind of
갖고 가세요 하나. 어차피 꺼냈으니까.
바로.
비주류라 추천 안 드렸는데
You know, even with my mask on, it smells so good. 이거 향 진짜 좋다. 이거 진짜 좋은데요? Isn't this
맞아요.
so cute? This is the sample.
그 오일인데요. 굉장히 향이 좋고
네.
비싼 오일이 굉장히 많이 들어갔습니다.
그래요? What's the name? What's the...
Organic fruits facial oil.
Ooh. They have a lot of like organic natural ingredients.
대표님이 직접 알려주신 꿀팁인데.
아, 그래요?
네.
The owner of Whamisa and the whole manufacturer of ENS. Ooh, I wanna know.
손바닥.
Okay. Ooh.
피부에 일단은 수분이 채워지고 막이 생겨서 굉장히
보습감도 높고.
네.
And I think when I first heard about Whamisa, this toner was really popular because number one, it was hydrating and has a lot of organic ingredients in here. But at the same time, I heard that it's really good for gentle exfoliation at the same time. And the big bottle, 300 milliliters, is 69,000 won. Yeah, it's not on the more of cheaper side, I would say. But this does contain a lot of organic ingredients. And ENS, the manufacturing company, is really well known to do such an amazing job with that.
매출 1위 토너 딥니시고요.
이게 매출 1위인가요?
네.
중요하네요.
네.
You guys, this is the best-selling product at Whamisa, baby. Bestseller. 또 뭐가 또 popular해요? 네, 아니 이거 저 이제 그 전 걸로
네.
이제 패키징이 조금 다르지만 그걸 써봤는데 너무 좋더라고요 이거.
클렌징 라인은
네.
호불호 없이
아.
대중적으로 인기가
네, 전 이거 써보고 있는데 진짜 좋더라고요.
순하죠.
이거 너무 좋아요.
당기지도 않고.
네. From their cleansing line, they have the organic flower cleansing water. I've never tried this one, but I have tried the cleansing oil. This is the organic flowers cleansing oil, and they also have a cleansing cream, foam cleansing cream on the same line. I haven't tried this one, but I'm currently using this one. I love this so much. These days I'm using the Rovectin one or this one or even the A6Y one. I think all of them are really amazing, and especially this one, I feel like it smells so good and it's very, very gentle. And it does have a hydrating finish as well, and it's humongo. I think this is 19,000 won, so pretty good price. This is the Organic Flowers Foaming Gel. So speaking of, I wanted to show you guys also for 1 second of the products that is made at this manufacturing place. So do you guys like Glow Recipe? Glow Recipe is actually manufactured in ENS. So look. Dun, 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 dun. You have Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow, PHA plus BHA. You also have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Mist. This is so good. I've tried this in Italy at I think some like offline shop, and this was so good. I know it's really popular. They sell really well at Sephora as well. And I've been wanting to try their products for the longest time. So let's try this one. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice. Ooh, and I know that, oh my gosh, the packaging is so pretty too. Oh wow, so it's a very light gel type of texture. Oh, and it smells so good. Wow. Oh my gosh, they have the avocado melt sleeping mask. Oh wow, I wanted to try this for the longest time. Yes! Let's try this baby. Wow, so it's a sleeping mask, but oh, it has a very thick texture. Oh wow. Much thicker than what I imagined. Oh my gosh, and the packaging, all the packagings are so pretty. And of course, I can't just pass by a mist. I'm gonna spray it. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow. This one sprays out really finely. This is what I'm talking about. I love this. It's like the psh, psh, psh. Oh, it smells good too. I like it. I feel like I'm in skincare heaven. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful right now. I hope no one comes because I think they're gonna think I'm crazy. He's waiting for me. Wow, they also make wax, Swagger. Wow, and they have like detergents, like laundry detergents. They have body cleansing. They have hair shampoos. Dang, there's soaps. There's so many different kinds. And also this is their brand's called Be Awesome. And this is a brand for, I heard, babies, like children. And this is so cute. Look at the packaging. So cute. Oh, this is so cute, huh? Oh, 귀여워. What? They have makeup too? I didn't know Whamisa had makeup. They have Whamisa Organic Flower Liquid BB Natural Expression. Oh, I did not know that they had like base makeup and things. Wow, so this is 27 Deep Beige. I wonder if they have like darker shades. They have 26 Tan Beige. They have 24 Honey Beige, 23 Natural Beige, 21 Pink Beige, 21 Light Beige. They have 20 Sand Beige. Wow, they have total of 7 different shades, huh? Cool, I did not know that they had like base makeup. Oh, and they have Organic Flower Primer Stick Balm. I've never seen a primer that's a stick balm. Let's try this one. This is actually 30,000 won. It's like this, oh, it's so pretty. It's like a pink, kind of like beige-ish color. Oh, it's so creamy and soft. I'm not like a huge fan of primers, but I want to try this one. Oh, I think it's pretty good. It feels really nice. I think I do definitely need a little bit of help from primers, especially around my pore area. Even if I use my BB cream or whatever, it's just so visible these days. I think I definitely need to start investing in a good primer. If you have any recommendations, please let me know. They also have the hand sanitizer. So this is the hand sanitizer that I added to my care package. Oh, this one smells so good, and it contains yuja extracts and aloe vera extracts, and I love the finish. It's not sticky and things like that. This sanitizer is really good. I hope that I can do another care package really soon. Oh, so cute. And then they have different lip balms. Oh, I've never seen their lip balms either. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and they have a lip scrub. Oh yeah, I'm very interested in lip scrubs these days. I feel like these days, because the weather is just getting, you know how it's getting. So let me show you my lips. It's very sexy, but it's getting a little bit crusty, you know what I'm saying? So these little pesky dead skin cells that I can't seem to get rid of. I think lip scrubs definitely help. But make sure that you're not too harsh with it, because our lip is such a sensitive area. I think some people are too rough with it, but just be really sensitive with it. But this is Organic Flowers Deep Rich Lip Scrub. I think the one I used before was from Lush. It was Charlotte's favorite. She gave it to me for my birthday, and that smelled so good. I forgot which one it was, but I remember it was pretty good and smelled really good. Oh, this one, you can definitely smell the sweetness of it. It's really, really sweet, actually. 100% sugar cane pulp. I think that's where the sweetness comes from, and I love that Whamisa also cares a lot about the environment. This part is recyclable, and this part is glass, and even the spatula is recyclable, and even the box, the packaging box right here, they have the carton recyclable box, and I think those little details is what separates them amongst other brands, or what shows their belief and things like that. So I really appreciate that. And to be honest with you, one reason why I got really whoa, what is this brand about at first is because of that thing on their packaging. They had little bumps on the packaging, so I was like, what is this? And then it was actually, I don't know what you call it in English, but it was for people who can't see, for them to be able to read by the touch. And I was really touched that they did that, because there's no skincare brand that I've ever seen that had that on the packaging for people that couldn't see, right? Let me try to show you. You could see the bumps, right? When I first saw it, I was like, what is this? And they have it in every single one of their packaging, And I was like, oh, is this really for people that can't see? I thought that was so thoughtful of them. I've never seen a Korean brand or even a foreign brand that does that. Yes, so I thought that was really, really thoughtful of them. Oh my gosh, what the freakazoid. It's a Whamisa Organic Flowers Apple Sebum Treatment. Oh my gosh, let's try this. Sebum treatment, yes. Anything to treat my pores and sebum, yes. Double, triple yes for me these days. This is so cool. I have a feeling it's gonna be very aloe gel texture. Shook. Ooh. So it has a very viscous texture. Oh, the texture almost feels like the Rovectin LHA ampoule. When you first see it, it's very thick and gunky, but when you touch it, it just melts immediately. Ooh, this has a really, really nice texture. I think this will be really good for oily skin types. The texture feels really lightweight. They also have the body cleanser, and wow, they have shampoo. Oh, I didn't know they had a Whamisa baby and kids shampoo. Oh my gosh, I want to try this. I'm so into products for kids these days. Please don't think that I'm pregnant. A lot of people, they assume that I'm pregnant if I ask them questions about pregnancy and things like that, but I'm not pregnant. I'll let y'all know. You my unicorns will be the first one to know if I'm pregnant. But I just do want to prepare a bit, and I want to start studying so that I can recommend good products for you guys. And as I mentioned before, my boyfriend's sister just had a baby, and also one of my best friends, Scarlett, she just had a baby as well. So I'm very interested you know, in ingredients and also skincare companies or brands that is selling products for children as well. I think it's really important, you know, start kind of thinking about that, and even just to know what the differences are between a product that an adult can use, you know, and that children can use, you know, the difference and things like that. I thought that would be very, very interesting. So I am just so excited to be here, and I'm so happy that I get to test out all these products. And you guys, I think it's time for me to go before traffic hits. But I'm so happy and honored that I was here at the headquarters of ENS, and I got to check out so many different products from Whamisa. So I'm so glad. I wish that I can come back and do more of this shopping. It's gonna be so fun. But I really hope that you guys had fun. I think that's the most important. Oh, hello. Oh, and thank you so much for waiting for me. Thank you. And thank you so much, ENS and Whamisa, for letting me film today. And yes, I will see you in the next skincare shopping video. Yeah! Derek,
Hi.
you're not wearing sunscreen.
Yes, I did. Because I was so busy today.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
It doesn't matter. You
I
should
was
wear
so busy
sunscreen.
와야지. 와야지.
아파. It's called Hug Me, right?
Yeah, hug me.
Okay. Is it good?
Fantastic.
I'm feeling better. 됐어요. 여기 너무 좋다, 이거.
Yeah. Baby, can you see that?
Right to be.
Yeah, you.
That's